In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Photos. If you've ever scrolled endlessly through your photo library trying to find one specific picture, Google Photos makes that process much easier. The search feature is designed to help you quickly locate photos and videos using simple words and categories, so you don't have to remember exactly when something was taken. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your phone or tablet, or go to the Google Photos website in your browser. Once you're in, tap or click the Search tab. This is where all your search tools are organized. From here, you can type in keywords for almost anything you're trying to find. For example, you can search for objects like dog, places like California, or dates like July 4th. Google Photos automatically scans and organizes your images, which means it can often recognize what appears in your photos without you needing to tag everything manually. That makes search especially useful if you have a large library. One of the best ways to search is by using simple keywords. You can type concepts such as beach, wedding, or even look for text that appears inside a document or screenshot. This can save a lot of time when you're trying to find travel photos, event pictures, or important saved images. Another helpful option is people and pets. Google Photos can group faces together, allowing you to search more easily for photos of specific people or animals. To make this work better, label your face groups with names you'll recognize. You can do this by opening Collections or Explore, then going to People and Pets in the Google Photos app or web interface. Once labeled, you'll be able to search using names or terms like my dog and get more accurate results. You can also search using dates and locations. Try entering an exact date, a month, or even just a year if you want to narrow things down. If location tracking was enabled when your photos were taken, you can also search by city, landmark, or browse using Map View. This is especially helpful for vacations, road trips, or special events where you remember the place more than the date. As a tip, keep your searches simple at first, then get more specific if needed. Google Photos is powerful, but short, clear terms usually work best, and that's how to search in Google Photos quickly and effectively.